In this video, guys, we are going to look at the 10-minute rule to improve your trading discipline. Stay tuned.
Yeah, we're not watching this. Some of you guys have come here to learn about trading discipline. And the simple answer is you just gotta do it. A lot of traders try to skirt around the system. They think that if I just play options, I'm gonna hit one option 10,000%, I'm gonna be a millionaire. That's not how this works, you know? Trading is a discipline. Discipline requires effort and energy put into something over a long period of time consistently. Are you watching the markets every single day? I don't think you are. I don't think you spend Saturday and Sunday mornings and evenings looking at futures, Bitcoin, right? You don't read about bond yields, right? You don't put in that time. You're not looking at Forex. I could give you this whole spiel about how if you put 10,000 hours in, you're going to be a successful trader. And to be honest, that's just not true. The whole 10,000 hours thing, I don't really believe in it, right? You have to make trading your life. Just to give you an example, if you're a trader, right, you might have made money on the way up, and how do you say, that would have been a good trade. My question to you is, were you watching NVIDIA even though you weren't trading it? If you play pennies, if you play futures, if you play large caps, if you're a Forex trader, if you're a crypto trader, are you watching the market when you're not trading? And I guarantee you the answer for most of you is no. See, if you were to listen to a bunch of professional traders and you were to ask them, hey, did you watch the markets when you were not trading? And I guarantee you the answer that most of, like probably 95% of them would give is, yeah, I watch the markets when I'm not trading. And I could sit here and I could say, well, if you do these 5 things, you're going to be a disciplined trader. It's like there's no 5 things that are going to make you a disciplined trader. First off, you have to learn how to be a disciplined trader, which requires putting in time, energy, and effort consistently, right? Every single day, even when the markets aren't technically open. Are you willing to put in the work that others aren't willing to put in, right? Do you take notes? Right? Do you look back at your trades? Do you look at your entries and exits? If the answers are no to any of these questions, you don't have any discipline. Now here, we're going to watch this clip real quick. And I think Umar here summarizes what I'm speaking on pretty well.
Disciplined with one thing and not disciplined in something else. So you have to be disciplined in all areas of your life for it to carry over to something else. Trading, let's say for example, you're not disciplined with going to the gym or not disciplined on sleeping right and taking care of yourself. You're not randomly just going to wake up and be disciplined when it's time to trade. Every aspect of your life has to be really taken care of the right way. And if that's taken care of, that will automatically reflect into trading whatever career path you're taking.
So he talks about in that video, right? He talks about how if you improve things outside of your life, it'll be reflected inside your trading. So I think most of you probably understand that to begin with. See, the key thing he mentioned in there is that you're not going to wake up in the morning and just be a disciplined trader. As I said before, you have to learn how to be disciplined. You have to discipline yourself into discipline.
See, the frustration comes from our expectations. It's from expecting something from our technical method it just can't do.
Your frustration from trading comes from your expectations. What are your expectations as a trader? Are you expecting to make $1 million every single day? Are you expecting to make $5 a day? What are your expectations? Are you expecting to win? Are you expecting to lose? Are you expecting to break even? Are you expecting to hit your stop loss? Are you expecting to hit your trailing stop? Are you expecting to hit your PT? Discipline is asking yourself questions. It's asking yourself questions and then making decisions based off of the answers that you give to the questions that you ask yourself. My question to you is, are you watching the market on a Saturday morning? Are you watching the market on a Sunday morning? If you're not, then you have not built proper discipline. You haven't put in the time, energy, and effort consistently. My recommendation is to stop watching YouTube videos and go look at the Bitcoin chart.